Did you know one drop of venom can kill faster than a sword? Tiny creatures, snakes, spiders, scorpions, can end a life in minutes. But what happens inside your body after the bite? The truth is worse. Today we uncover how venom works. Real life and survival. No roar. No chase, just a hidden strike that starts a deadly countdown mode. Stay until the end. We'll share a survivor story that will haunt you. First, not all venom is the same. There are 3 deadly types. Neurotoxins attack nerves, paralyzing muscles, and stopping breathing. Hemotoxins tear blood vessels, causing bleeding, organ failure, and shock. Cytotoxins destroy tissue, flesh eaten from the inside out. And some venoms combine effects, making them terrifyingly efficient. In survival mode, these effects become a ticking clock against you. Symptoms arrive fast, burning at the bite, nausea, dizziness, slurred speech. Within minutes, breathing gets shallow, muscles weaken, panic replaces reason. Without anti-venom or field care, many victims have less than an hour. But the cruelest part, your mind can stay aware while your body shuts down. Imagine being fully conscious as your limbs stop responding, trapped inside. That's why these encounters become psychological nightmares, not just physical fights. How exactly does venom spread? Fast, through lymph and into blood. At the bite site, capillaries absorb venom, carrying toxins through your veins. Once systemic, neurotoxins race to the nerves. Hemotoxins attack the heart. You'll see local swelling, then confusion, vision problems, and loss of coordination. In-game, this translates to blurred HUD, slowed controls, and creeping damage. So what can you do? First, stay calm and immobilize the bitten limb. Second, remove jewelry and keep the wound lower than the heart. Third, apply a pressure bandage for some neurotoxic bites, but know the type. Fourth, avoid cutting or sucking the wound. Those old tricks make it worse. In survival games, craftable anti-venom, herbs, and medkits are game changers. But prevention is best. Light your path, avoid tall grass, check holes. Still, when venom hits, decisions must be perfect. One mistake costs you. Now the story. An Amazon explorer bitten by a fer-de-lance at dusk. He felt the bite as a sharp shock, then a burning that spread fast. Vision blurred. His hands began to fail. Radios were dead. Night closed in. He crawled 3 hours to a river, muscles cramped, every breath a
Almost
fight.
there.
The river
Just a little
saved him. Cool water slowed the venom and a medic arrived, but many don't get lucky. In another case, a spelunker's bite ended a trip. Deep underground, no help, no light. His teammates watched paralysis take hold. Those moments define survival. Push forward and risk collapse, or stay and wait. In games, players choose between bandaging and sprinting for the medkit. The split-second choice, move and risk losing mobility or crawl and bleed time, kills or saves real or virtual, venom encounters test not just strength, but judgment and luck. And the worst part? Sometimes the outcome is out of your hands from the start. Poisonous creatures win not by force, but by patience and precision. Respect them, prepare, and never underestimate the smallest bite. If you remember one thing, stay calm, immobilize, and get help fast. Want more survival breakdowns? We've got freezing, drowning, and cliffs. Next, subscribe, hit the bell, and drop your scariest survival moment in the comments. And if you survived a venomous bite in a game, tell the story below.